All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to look at Shiba really quick here. So the big question is, when is the selling going to stop for Shiba? The last update we looked, we were watching this 715 price area that was holding for support here. We have since taken that out and we are already testing it as resistance here. So it looks like to me Shiba wants to come back all the way to the bottom here at 6.0. So there is a potential for a 14% drop upcoming here on Shiba. If you're wondering why we got this little bounce in the middle of nowhere, we can simply answer that by drawing a fib from that little low to the high on this micro fib. And you can see we hit the 1272 here at 6.7 pretty much perfectly. So that is the reason for that little bounce. But ultimately, after breaking that support, testing it as resistance, it looks like Shiba is going to drop about 14% here down to that 6.0 mark and potentially even lower than that. You can see after 6.0, we do have that 4.5 level here. So, if the selling's going to continue here, look for a 14% drop. That is a good price area to add some more to your position, I would say. And then if that doesn't hold, there is a potential 35% drop down to 4.5 here. Let's see if there's anything before that on the macro scale. So I'm going to mark that one out. We are going to switch to the 3-day and the weekly really quick here just to kind of see if there's any other levels or if that lines up with anything that we can see here. Let's zoom out more to the weekly chart. And we might have to go out to the... Yeah, I mean, looking here on the weekly chart, you can see that the bottom should be in for Shiba. You can see all the bounce points it has at this price level here at that 6.0. So yeah, I mean, if Shiba comes down to that bottom once again that we just pointed out, that should be the bottom. If that's not the bottom, it's going to get really bearish, in my opinion, on Shiba. So if Shiba does drop 14%, that could very well be your bottom for Shiba. So I would really keep an eye on that 6.0 level if we drop lower than this here. If we go by that micro fib, let me redraw that on the chart here really quick here. If we do go by that micro fib that we had drawn, you could say that Shiba could come down from that low to that high. It could come down to this 1618 here. And you can see that is 6.5. So 6.5 could be your bottom also. So you're looking for Shiba here. If it continues its downward movement off of that rejection at 715, we could drop about 7% and 6.5 be the bottom. So watch 6.5 and then watch 6.0. Any lower than 6.0, then I don't know what to tell you. Shiba's going to zero at that point. So with that said, not financial advice. Hopefully that helped. Good luck, everyone, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.